Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah Malka and today I will help you with your pizza making skills going from blah to wow with this easy pizza star bread recipe. I will share with you how to make a star bread recipe with no oven, and the magic of this pizza star bread recipe is that not only it is foolproof, but it will work with or without an oven. It uses 6 simple ingredients and it's ready in no time. So whether it is for a celebration, holiday, or just because you want to enjoy a simple, easy, and delicious pizza bread, this is the recipe for you. And if you like this kind of content all about simplifying yet leading a more meaningful life, please consider subscribing. So let's jump into it. You're going to start by proofing your yeast, adding some sugar, some yeast, mix it together in warm water and set it aside. In your flour, you are going to add some salt, some oil, and you will incorporate all these ingredients together. Once that they are fully incorporated, you are going to form a well at the bottom of the flour, and then you will add your proof yeast. You're going to start mixing it with a spoon. And once that it forms a hot mess, then it's time for you to dig in with your hands. You are going to continue mixing it until you form a ball with the flour and all the other ingredients. Once that the ball is formed, you're going to place it on your workbench and then do a quarter turn, stretch it, turn it, and then repeat. Once that you're done kneading your dough, you are going to place it into an oiled bowl. And I like also to put a bit of oil on top of the dough. This way it stays nice and supple. I will cover it with some saran wrap. And I will also cover it with a tea towel for it to stay nice and warm. I'm going to leave it like that for about an hour. And after an hour, it should double in size. You're going to remove it from the bowl. And then you're going to simply roll it. Once that you have rolled it, you're going to fold it in 4, and that will help you to create 4 balls about the same size and weight. Simply cut the dough where you see the folds and you're all done. Once that your dough is cut in 4 equal pieces, simply roll them into a ball. And once that it's done, spread them a little bit one by one on your workbench and roll them out. Try to roll them out as close to a circular shape as you can. Place your dough on a piece of parchment paper and then just on top put a bowl or a plate that is circular. Cut out the excess of dough and then you have your first layer. You are going to repeat the process for the next 3 balls of dough. Once they are rolled out and shaped the way you want, you're going to take 1 layer of dough still on its parchment paper and you will add the cheese. This will ensure that your star pizza bread will keep its shape. Add as little or as much cheese as you want. Once that you have added the amount that you want, add another layer of dough. On the next layer of dough, you're going to add all your favorite toppings, whether pesto, onions, bell peppers, mushroom, whatever you want. Then you're going to add another layer of dough. It is time to add some tomato sauce, as little or as much as you want. I like to not to add too much because otherwise it's oozing all over. We're going to add a bit more cheese because who doesn't like cheese in a pizza? And finally, we're going to add the top layer of our star-shaped pizza bread. You're going to take a circular shape. I'm going to take here a cookie cutter, and then I'm going to cut the dough in 4 equal pieces. Then every of these pieces are going to be cut in 2, and we're going to continue the process until we have 16 pieces. Now that your pizza star bread has been cut in 16 pieces, you're going to take the top layer, the bottom layer, and you're going to pinch them together. You are going to repeat the process for the whole 16 pieces, and that will ensure that the stuffing will stay inside. Once that you have completed the process, you're going to take 2 pieces, rotate them outwardly twice, pinch the edges together, and spread out the layers for maximum effect. You're going to cover your pizza star bread with some saran wrap and you're going to let it rise between 30 and 60 minutes. Once that it has risen, you have two choices. Or you're going to put it in a preheated pan that was left to heat on medium heat for about 10 minutes. And then you're going to cook it on a low-medium heat for about 40 minutes. You can also put it in the oven at 400 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. You're now ready to enjoy this amazing pizza bread recipe that is going to look differently depending on what you put inside. This one was tomato and pesto. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. We do upload new content every week, all about leading a more meaningful yet simplified life. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to from it up.